with the fourth phase of voting that is underway. Unfortunately, there are still more reports coming in of violence that has been reported from the state of West Bengal, right from Asansol to Birbhum to Durgapur. Violence that has been reported in 3 different parts of the state, with the BJP alleging attack by the TMC workers. And in no time, politics has also erupted as the BJP says that the TMC is intimidating the voters, while the TMC retorts saying that it is the BJP which is scared this time of losing. Let me go across to Shreya now. Shreya, we are looking at several allegations that have been doing the rounds. The war of words between the BJP and the TMC continue. What are the reports on ground coming in of violence?
See, we have seen that there have been reports of violence from different parts of West Bengal. Now in Asansol, it has been reported that there has been a scuffle between the TMC and the BJP supporter during polling. Remember, there was a clash between the BJP MLA and also that of the TMC worker during the polling process. Now from Birbhum, Shuri, we have been, we have heard the news. It has been reported that there is an allegation against TMC that they have demolished the temporary camp of BJP. Now several kind of untoward incident has been reported from Bardhaman, Durgapur mainly, and also that of Birbhum. Remember, there has been no untoward incident reported from Berhampur so far. Now we have seen that several complaints has been there both from TMC and BJP side. TMC says that BJP is trying to intimidate the voters and trying to steal vote. At the same time, we also see that there is allegation, counter allegation from BJP side as well in case of TMC.
All right, but with those allegations that have been leveled, we are looking at Shreya at the ground situation there, because with those allegations, it seems that another phase of elections has again been marred by violence in West Bengal.
Of course, it is not new when it comes to the state of West Bengal. Time and again, we have seen that it is always marred by violence, especially during Gram Panchayat election. Also, we have seen that there was several reports of violence from different parts of West Bengal. This time around, remember, in the first 3 phases, there was no major incident of violence reported from West Bengal. But in this phase, this time around, in the 4th phase of polling, we have had many incidents from Bardhaman, Durgapur, and also from Birbhum. Now, sometimes it is the TMC party which is blaming the BJP for creating the violence. Sometimes it is the BJP blaming the TMC. So, of course, counter allegations and allegations continue from both the parties' side. Now, remember, we have seen that there has been maximum deployment of central forces in the state of West Bengal, keeping in mind the culture of violence when it comes to the state of West Bengal during election. This time around, also, it is not different, because we have heard, details of scuffle from Asansol also coming, where TMC and BJP supporters have clashed during polling.
All right, Shreya, please to continue to be with us, because with the pictures that have been coming in, but we talk about the biggest talking point yet that has been taking place in West Bengal. The focus that has once again shifted to Sandesh Khali. The Prime Minister, who has addressed several blistering rallies in the state, in Barakpur, even as the Prime Minister accused the TMC of not only safeguarding the perpetrators of Sandesh Khali violence, but also now terrorizing the women there in continuance of their efforts to save Sheikh Shah Jahan and their vote bank as well. Let's listen into the Prime Minister's attack.
संदेश खाली में क्या हो रहा है, ये पूरा देश देख रहा है. संदेश खाली के गुनहगार को पहले टीएमसी की पुलिस ने बचाया. अब टीएमसी ने एक नया खेल शुरू किया है. टीएमसी के गुंडे संदेश खाली बहनों को डरा रहे हैं, धमका रहे हैं, सिर्फ इसलिए कि अत्याचारी का नाम शाहजहां शेख है. उसके घर से बम बंदूक निकल रहे हैं, लेकिन वोट बैंक को खुश करने के लिए टीएमसी उसको क्लीन चिट दिलवाने में जुटी है.
Meanwhile, there is a response coming in from the West Bengal Chief Minister as well, Mamata Banerjee, who has been saying in a counter campaign, accusing the BJP and the Prime Minister of forcing the women of Sandesh Khali to make their allegations by signing blank papers and more. Listen into the counter.
সন্দেশ খালি নিয়ে মিথ্যে কথা বলে যাচ্ছেন. সন্দেশ তো আপনার জন্য অপেক্ষা করছে. রেজাল্টটা মিলিয়ে নেবেন, রেজাল্টটা মিলিয়ে নেবেন. সন্দেশ মানে হিন্দিতে বলে সন্দেশ, বাংলায় বলে মিষ্টি. संदेश होच्छे देश का खबर क्या है, मोदी जा रहा है, मोदी हार रहा है, मोदी विदाई ले रहा है।
Those are the political updates that we are tracking from the state of West Bengal, even as the fourth phase of polling that is currently
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? Arey, it's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।